watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab, Raigada. The contractual workers of Damanjodi Nalco in Koraput District went on strike by blocking the mine route because they were not receiving the enhanced salary that the government had announced. Near the Puturaghati Check gate of the mining road, hundreds of employees gathered and halted the bus bringing the workers. The CISF officer in charge of NALCO security was on site due to the unpleasant scenario. The central government has already declared a raise in wages since last year 2021, but the developers and NALCO authorities are not paying attention to it. Therefore, it is obvious that there is a great deal of employee dissatisfaction. If the pay increase is not granted, the labor union's officials strongly stated that the movement will intensify throughout Angul, including NALCO's mining and refining projects. If the pay increase is not granted, the workers' union's leaders strongly stated that the movement in Angul, including the mining and refining projects of NALCO, will intensify. Reports from Simadri Patnaik as Zone Correspondent of Sigma Media Lab, Koraput and Nabarangpur, Odisha.